Today we will be reviewing these contacts. Hi there, Sparkies. Sparkies, what the Hey YouTube Nation. A nation? You guys have a flag? What's up, YouTubers? I'm a YouTuber, you're a watcher. I'm an idiot. Hey viewers, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Olineece, and if you don't know, I'm not usually this hype. So why am I this hype today? Guess what, people? We're doing another contact review. Today we will be reviewing these contacts from TTDEYE. So cute, it's so adorable. TTDEYE is written across the front here, and these are all the contacts that I got in the box. I got myself 6 pairs of contacts to review. Each one comes with a case and also comes with this little adorable little girl right here. I think they're Japanese based. I don't know where I'm gonna put her so that China doesn't get to her, but she's going somewhere. I did want to show you guys what the little packages come like for your contacts. I like these because if you want to like write on the outside, you can, just to like label the colors, because I got so many colors. And I just want to show you guys that I actually took the sticker off the box and they work as great labeling things. So all the colors I'll still be able to know. Anyways, all the details will be around the contact. I'm trying to not be as obnoxious as I was in the last video. And if you guys haven't seen that one, make sure you go check it out. I still have yet to learn the difference between concave and convex. Over 6 years later, me still not knowing the difference. Let me focus. I'm a bippity boppity boo, y'all, right into these contacts right here. Okay, TTDEYE, sponsor me. I wear contacts every day, sponsor me. All the details will be in the video, so just keep watching if you want to see all the contacts that I got. As I was trying on all the contacts, I noticed that there are some little things under the bottom of this box. There are some stickers, a card. Yeah. And then you also get like a handheld mirror. This is what it looks like. This is obviously the mirror on the back, so hope you guys liked this video. I hope to see you guys as watchers of my next video. If you liked my hair, I have a video up on that. Or if you liked my makeup, sorry that I look so trash today and my eyes look like they've been beaten up 20 times. I have a everyday makeup look, so make sure you guys go check out my videos at the end of this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below so you can always see when I post. I love you guys so much and I hope you guys are having a blessed day. Thanks for watching. Bye.